Rider Japan, welcome. In my brand new toy, Honda NSX. Broke it. Broke it already. The inside door latch is gone. Searched online last night, and apparently it's a common on these cars. Loads of people, this has happened to loads of people with these cars, so they're old. Plastics get brittle, things happen like that. Kind of have to expect it. I've only ever driven old cars pretty much since last time I had a new car, new-ish car. It was 4 years old. That was a TVR Tamora, and that was back in, I think I sold that in like 2006, so 2025 now. That's years of car ownership, only having old cars, so I'm totally used to these little issues that come up, and I kind of enjoy that ownership experience, like fixing little things as and when they need doing. So yeah, little job I'm doing now is repairing the interior door latch on a Honda NSX. This is a panel that needs to come out, and it does appear to be a fiddly one. I don't have proper tools for this. I would much rather, if I really try and can't do it, I will happily wait and order the correct tools and then try again without breaking anything. So this needs to come out. And that is super tight. This actually is a piece as well that can come out. When I got this car, all this plastic was like really like grey and like dried out. You can still see sort of signs of that there. So I put all that chemical on it. It would actually be nice to take this off and like really do it properly to try and fix it up and make it look good again. It was weird. It was just this door handle gone all grey and dried out looking, and then this leather's all scuffed up as well, where obviously people's hands keep going, their nails keep hitting that. So I can treat all this leather, treat all the plastic, fix the handle. I can quite happy about an opportunity to fix it all up. Okay, so I'm getting a bit more brave now. I like using my fingers where I can, so I can feel what's going on. Like if the metal's starting to crack or something, like I can feel it getting, I don't know, there's more sensation through my fingertips rather than just ramming a plastic tool in there and levering it. So this needs to come out. It needs to come out quite a lot, and then you can pull it back. I'm trying to do a bit of both, just to massage it. No, I can't do it. If I can pull off this one, I think it's going to help me a lot, because it's just tiring my hands out trying to get this this one off. Apparently this one comes off. Famous last words. Ooh, 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 ooh. Oh, lovely. There you go. That was it. If you're doing this job, take that out first. 10 minutes, couldn't do it. 2 seconds once that was gone. Wow. Learning the hard way, but I do appreciate it. And there we go. No broken tabs. All good. So there's what I'm seeing now. I still can't see exactly how the handle's broken. It appears to be hinged from the top, and then that bottom piece is broken just there. So I can guess what's happening, just can't see it. Screws to take out, and then the cable to, looks like I've got to pull that up, so go ahead and do that now. So different colour screw heads, which helps me put them all back in the correct place if they're different lengths. 1, 2, 3 gold, and then there's 1, 2, 3, 4 black ones. Just a note to help me put them back in the future. Those 4 are 2 different types. The first 2, 1, 2, were sharp. Those second 2 were blunt. I mean, these are not in there tight at all. Like, if I had to guess. Oh no, there's 4 of these. Sorry, 2. 4 of each colour. These are like 2 foot-pounds of torque tightened up, like hardly anything. Oh, there you go. Yeah, that's no problem at all to come out of there. This job's been quite enjoyable so far. I like these little jobs that are a little bit of a challenge, but not so much you're stressing out or you have to stop and buy special tools or do more research. You can just figure it out and bumble along and get it done. Okay, we're doing that. Something to plug to disconnect here as well. Okay, here we go. So the broken bit, kind of what I expected to see. Just looking at it, just thinking about how to repair it. I think that is a part you can order, but I may try and repair it myself first before I spend any money. That handle feels plastic, yeah, that's plastic, and that looks like and feels like metal. So there's a metal, just this small piece is attached to the handle there. You can see how it's sort of pegged through. But yeah, metal parts, yeah, I think plastic just gets old and gets brittle, but metal doesn't, but it does work hard, and even just a part that gets a lot of vibration, just the vibration like can work hard in the metal, gets more and more brittle over time. This is a moving part, obviously opening and closing over the years. It's an old car, I remember, just goes. That's not really a strong part, could have done being a bit thicker. So I'm thinking about how to repair it. No space on that side, space on this side, but the handle does have to open, and it opens right to there, so I perhaps can repair it, but I don't know how good my repair is going to be. So I'll go ahead and try and repair it just as a temporary fix, and then look online, see if I can actually just buy a replacement part. Thanks for watching. I'm going to leave it there for the work on this video. If you're doing it yourself and you're researching like how to do it, I definitely recommend take that off. That was quite easy to take off, just to do it carefully, wasn't really a problem, and then that made it much easier to pull that one out. That was the secret ingredient to get this job done easily. Everything else, undoing screws and that, and unplugging that, no problem at all, easy. I just want to tell one side note story about something here I'm seeing, just to tell the story. Okay, just a random little side note story to finish this video, if you allow me. See that vent, yeah? Driver side vent. Second slat down from the top is like broken, it's like in at an angle. That's exactly the same as my Nissan Bluebird, my car I had before that. And that car also, I was like, spent a long time trying to find it, and it turned out I got it for a good price. It was exactly what I wanted, a really good car, really happy with it, kept it a long time. Really nice experience owning that car, really happy with it, and I still really miss it now. Same with this one, this car just feels like, I searched so hard and so long to find it, and it just turned up, and it was just like well within my budget, and it was just exactly what I wanted, and it just blew all the others out of the water. Like I literally saw this car for sale on a Saturday night, sent them an email, Monday morning I was there, and it was like a flight across Japan. I'd organised everything over the weekend, just rushed to go and get this car, and immediately put a deposit on it, and like as soon as I saw it, I felt it, like my heart was like boom 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 like little hearts shooting out my eyes when I saw this car for the first time. Really just knew immediately it was the one I wanted. And similarities between this car and then my Bluebird, as well as just the experience of like finding them and buying them, was the second slat down from the top was broken, as in at an angle, and it does feel like this car was for me. It just like it appeared in this three-dimensional realm exactly for me. It's like my thoughts of just wanting this car and like trying to search for the car I wanted was putting the message out into the universe beyond this realm of 3 dimensions and our reality, what we assume all it is. The message got out there, and then this car appeared for me to buy. That's what it feels like, yeah, because also not only that, searching for this car and contacting people. I've got another big story as well about it was this car or another car, but the other car didn't really like it, but I probably would have got that if this one wasn't what I expected it or what I wanted it to be. That car was bought by another guy who's a big like YouTuber in Japan, and contacted him about it, and we've got other similarities, just like other people we dealt with in Japan. And then my wife has spoke to people who knew someone else who knew someone else, and we all knew each other. Like, me buying this car has connected lots of people together, like weird synchronicities of numbers and things. So the similarities with just that slat going down, it just tells lots of stories, all things swirling around in my mind. It's just like, what is going on? Like, I'm sure this reality is not all there is. Synchronicities that you notice and like numbers you notice in different places, it does appear that they seem to be like little hints that, I don't know, call it angels, call it aliens, call it we're living in a, what's it called, a simulation. It appears like there's another realm that knows about us, but we don't know about them, but they drop little hints, little clues that they are pulling some strings for us. One for me is the second slat down on the vent on my driver's side door is broken, just like my other car, and it's just a lot of stuff goes on. I've got a ton of stories about buying this car, which I will spare you, but very interesting little things that happen in life. Anyway, cool, thanks for watching. Click like and subscribe. Sorry for the weird note at the end, and yeah, if you're having this problem, go ahead and try and fix it yourself before you spend any money. Not difficult at all, really, to get that panel off. And if I can't repair mine, or if I can't repair it satisfactorily, like I really don't believe it's going to be strong, what I do to it, I'll try and find one online, or I'll just go to Honda and buy one.